Hello everyone, this is Elfrida and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about cloud computing. So first of all, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a really simple concept. Users actually pay for computing services such as servers, storage and software instead of owning one and maintaining them. So, why did cloud computing come into the tech world all of a sudden? Let's go deep. So, earlier people used to get these expensive servers, hire people to maintain them, and handle all the system failures by themselves. But cloud computing came in as a game changer and provided flexibility, availability, and efficiency, all while cutting cost efficiently. So, that's how cloud computing was changing the tech world. There are three types of services which the cloud computing provides: infrastructure, platform, and software. Infrastructure as a service. So, virtual storage, servers, etc., are provided to users over the network. The best example I can give for this is Amazon Web Services (AWS). The next service is platform. Platform is a service. It's nothing but it is a ready-to-use platform which is used by developers for building and deploying applications. The best example I can give for this is the Google App Engine. So the next service is software as a service. Like we have heard this term many times, like on articles and so on. So here, software is provided as a service to the users. The best example I can give for this is Google Mail and Gmail. In Gmail, we send and receive emails, and Google Drive is mainly used for file transfer. Like there are many applications of cloud computing in the real world. Like I just like to talk about only two of them. First is cloud in education. Cloud computing promotes remote learning by the use of Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and many other applications like that. It also promotes collaborative learning through Microsoft 365 and Google Docs. So these are the uses of cloud computing in education. The next application is the most interesting one. It is cloud computing in games. So it promotes online multiplayer. It promotes online multiplayer gaming. It stores the game data and it stores game data and progress to continue games across different devices, and it promotes cloud gaming, where it does not use a local server. It allows the games to run on remote cloud services instead of local servers. So it promotes cloud gaming. In conclusion, I'd like to say that cloud computing is a very efficient service. Like it provides flexibility, availability, and efficiency, all while cutting costs. And it is a game changer in the tech world. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you do like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.